Whoa, this camera is lighted in a bitch. Maybe is it the brightness setting? I don't know. This is insane. You know, I've always wanted to have a chibi version of myself for the content that I do, right? When I was a younger kid, like I'm still young, I've been interested in Japanese anime since I was small, more so than American cartoons, because we all know anime is a lot better than American cartoons. I need to stop saying the word anime because that's not how you pronounce the goddamn word. It is pronounced anime. Anime. I'm learning Japanese and I do not want to be doing this nonsense of pronouncing anime as anime. Side ranting over, I found anime to be very interesting because of their art style. It was completely different. I have never seen anything like that. You know, when the first time Goku has showed up in front of Nappa and Vegeta and you're like, holy crud, why do they look like that? Whoa, this is better than Batman. I am glad to say after years of longing to be with the cool kids, those feelings are now gone. I want to introduce you to SonJohann. Like that, bitch. This badass is rocking an all-guest outfit because we all know I be rocking guests since birth. No, for real, like birth. And you can tell this person is me based on the simple characteristics that I have on my face. The mole underneath my nose, slash on my eye looking like I've been fighting thousands of Cybermen and one of those motherfuckers have to just slash me and I'm like, shit. I got this on my face now, but it's cool. Even his bloody attitude matches mine in real life. What a pair. I guess the apple doesn't fall too far from the tree. I hope you can enjoy him as much as I do. And if not, oh fucking well, he's here to stay, like it or not. Yo ass don't have a choice. Nah. I couldn't bring SonJohann to life without the talented Baritag. Well, hold on, let me pronounce her right name right, because Baritag. No, it's not Baritag. 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 I hope, Barbara, if I pronounce the tag name wrong, I am so sorry. I feel like it has to be either or. Like seriously, have you checked out her work? Her work is amazing. Look, her contact info is gonna be in the description, so make sure that you go and check it out. If you want to have some cool chibis or versions of yourself, you know what to do. Like for real, Baritag, thank you, because without you, I would not be able to have this dope, clean chibi. I've always wanted a freaking chibi. I've always wanted a chibi and now I have it and it's thanks to you. Okay, so side note, this camera is amazing. Like, hold up. Have you seen? Yo, I'm filming with the front camera. I don't even know which hole I should be looking at right now. There's so much flipping holes on this phone and it's completely different to what I normally film with.